Tesla looked untouchable. It wasn't just leading electric vehicles, it was electric vehicles. The Model 3 was dominating global EV charts. Tesla's market cap exceeded Toyota, Volkswagen, GM, Ford, BMW, and Mercedes combined. And it was producing fewer than 1 million cars per year. That's how powerful the narrative was. But here's what most Western analysts missed. While Tesla was building the future in Silicon Valley, China was building the infrastructure of that future. And at the center of that strategy was BYD. This isn't hype. This is industrial chess. Welcome back to Dragon EV Rev Hub. Today we break down, with numbers, how BYD systematically outmaneuvered Tesla. Stay with me until the end, because the final move BYD is executing right now may redefine global EV leadership. Tesla's golden run between 2016 and 2021, Tesla dominated EV markets outside China. Gross margins climbed above 30% at one point. No legacy automaker came close. Investors didn't value Tesla as a car company. They valued it as a technology revolution. Autopilot, gigafactories, software updates, vertical integration. It felt unbeatable. But dominance in innovation is not the same as dominance in manufacturing scale. And that's where the divergence began. BYD was never playing the same game. BYD started in 1995, not with cars, with batteries, rechargeable batteries for electronics. By the early 2000s, BYD was supplying companies like Nokia and Motorola. It mastered battery manufacturing before Tesla built its first Roadster. Then, in 2003, BYD acquired a struggling Chinese car maker. No headlines, no global excitement. But this move gave BYD something critical: manufacturing capacity. While Tesla focused on building the best electric car, BYD focused on reducing the cost of electrification itself. That distinction is everything. The battery structural advantage. Let's talk numbers. Batteries represent roughly 30 to 40% of an EV's total cost. Control batteries, and you control pricing. Tesla sources from Panasonic, CATL, and LG. BYD manufactures its own. Cells, packs, integration, full vertical integration. Then came the Blade battery. Lower fire risk, no cobalt dependency, over 3,000 charge cycles. That's more than 1 million kilometers of usable life. And because BYD controls battery production internally, it reduces cost at scale. This is not marketing advantage. This is structural advantage. The price pressure era. In 2023, Tesla initiated aggressive price cuts. In some regions, prices dropped more than 20% within a year. Automotive margins declined significantly. Why? Because BYD entered with lower-cost models. Take the BYD Seagull, fully electric, modern interior, priced under $10,000 in China. Tesla cannot currently build a vehicle at that price profitably. That's not a brand issue, that's cost structure. And cost structure wins long wars. BYD is an ecosystem, not just a car brand. And in 2024, BYD sold over 3 million electrified vehicles. Tesla delivered approximately 1.8 million. But here's the deeper layer. BYD manufactures batteries, electric buses, semiconductors, energy storage systems. Revenue diversification stabilizes strategy. Tesla remains heavily dependent on vehicle margins. When pricing compresses, diversified ecosystems absorb shock better than single-channel companies. That's strategic resilience. Shifting market perception. Tesla still holds global brand strength. But in China, the largest EV market in the world, BYD dominates local sales charts. Consumers prioritize price, interior features, software localization. BYD delivers competitive driver assistance systems, rotating infotainment displays, frequent updates, and aggressive pricing. When a brand shifts from aspirational to accessible, pricing power fades, and Tesla's brand premium is narrowing in critical markets. Industrial scale difference. Tesla builds advanced factories. BYD builds integrated industrial ecosystems, motors, batteries, power electronics, vehicles, under one corporate structure. This reduces supplier risk, shortens iteration cycles, improves speed to market, scale compounds annually. 3 million vehicles per year creates leverage in procurement, in logistics, in learning curves, and compounding scale is difficult to reverse. The global expansion phase. Now we reach the strategic endgame, global expansion. Southeast Asia, Latin America, Middle East, Europe, Africa. Regions where affordability determines adoption speed. Tesla's entry price remains premium. BYD targets mass entry. Historically, the company that dominates entry-level adoption often shapes the ecosystem long-term. Charging standards, supply chains, government relationships, consumer loyalty. BYD is not attacking Tesla's identity. It is expanding into markets Tesla hasn't fully secured. And if BYD establishes dominance there, the balance of global EV influence shifts permanently. Controlled impact. Tesla transformed the EV narrative. BYD may be transforming the EV structure. This isn't about who makes the flashiest car. It's about cost architecture, industrial integration, and global positioning. So the real question is not whether Tesla survives, it's whether Tesla can adapt its structure fast enough to compete with China's vertically integrated EV machine. If you value deep strategic EV analysis, not headlines, subscribe to Dragon EV Rev Hub, because the EV war is accelerating, and we track it move by move. See you in the next deep dive.